I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing my mini haul from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Let's see what's inside. If you are a regular subscriber, then you know my love for e.l.f. Cosmetics and their products, but I will post prior videos either here, or at the end of this video so you can check those out. The reason why I broke my no-buy rule, because I'm trying to slow down my makeup buying, if that makes sense. But I broke it because for e.l.f., their prices are just simply incredible, and the quality that they have is amazing. So I had to break down, especially when I noticed that they're continuing the bite-sized theme that they had with their eyeshadows a few months back, and now they came out with a new version of it. So here is one of the first ones, and this is called their Bite-Size Face Duo, and this is in the shade Guava. You see the highlighter and the blush. It's just beautiful looking. $3. Lychee. Again, with the blush and highlighter. And this is in White Peach. This is the first one I saw, and then I saw the Guava one. And then I saw the lychee one. There was one other one I wanted to get, the pomegranate, but I was like, let me just slow down on these three first, even though the price value is incredible on this, only $3 each. I wanted to also replace what I had used prior, which is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is one of the best balms I've ever come across to prep my skin before putting on makeup. It's very cooling, very soothing. I believe I did a review on this. If I can find it, I'll post it somewhere here, or at the end of the video. This is good stuff, and this is a repurchase. I think this is the fourth one I bought. So this is the freebie I got, I think, for spending more than $15 or something, and this is their e.l.f. Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser, which I'm definitely going to try. This is with Hydrating Coconut, and this is their Face Erase, and I think this is e.l.f.'s answer to the makeup eraser, because this claims to, and I'll say it here, a reusable and soft makeup remover pad that allows you to remove your makeup with only water. This makeup remover wipes your face clean from all types of makeup without the need to rub or scrub. Oh, why? But the Guava one calls out to me. It looks very similar, just slightly darker pink than, this is the primer infuser brush, by the way, also by e.l.f. That's in, yeah. And I think this is in the Always Rosy one, but let me just, yes, this is the Always Rosy one. And it looks in the same family. You know, it just seems to photograph differently for some reason, but there you go. See? They look very similar. So I'm wondering. Okay, so I'm just going to go in here with my finger to swatch. You see the color on there. And that's the color there. Just for funs, I'm just going to go into my primer blush, which does feel decidedly different, but I'll put it next to it or each other so you can see. Okay, so this is the blush, and this is the blush that is in the Guava. So it's a slightly brown color versus this more pinky. This one's in White Peach. That's White Peach. And I'm going to put that here. Ooh, this came off a little bit chalky, but there you go. That's the peach. And this one is lychee, which I'll show you. It seems like the deepest out of all of them, but we'll see. Okay. That's the lychee, peachy, and guava. The highlighter itself is not different. They look about the same color in all three, because I don't see the big difference. I would like to see a difference, but it's the same. I mean, it's the same. Let me try this brush, and I'm gonna try to get in there Oh, there is some fallout, but again, minor, no big deal. And it is $3, like I said. And I'm just gonna, ooh. So there is color payoff, people. Look at that. So this definitely warms up my face. And again, my skin tone is on the fair side. I would call this is lychee. I definitely like it. It looks very natural. Look at that. Wow. And with the bronzer, I look like I just came back from the beach. Here now, I'm gonna try the white peach because I've always been fascinated by not just pinks but also orange or fiery, deep colors. I'm not afraid of them. Okay, let's try this one. Oh wow. Do you see the marked difference? I mean, that's amazing. Again, it depends on your skin tone. And it is buildable. Using the highlighter that is in each of the 3. This is the last one. Yeah. And I'm just gonna go over here. So I tend to put highlight on my forehead, down my nose. It's nice. It's beautiful. There's you know, it's very natural looking. It did work better on my nose for some reason. But see, it's lovely. I would say overall I am very much impressed. If I was going out like for the evening, I would probably add mascara, you know, or maybe a liner, if at all, and just call it a day. I wouldn't even put on eyeshadow because I look healthy, I look glowy, gorgeous. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Is this the look that you favor, or do you go all out, whether it's summer, spring, winter, or fall? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like e.l.f.? Are you an e.l.f. subscriber? Are you part of their beauty squad? Also let me know in the comments below, and whether or not you have taken advantage of their points system and whether you have redeemed any and what did you receive. Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me on my latest makeup adventure, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.